Are you ready to kick some serious booty today? Are you? I mean, that's a rhetorical question because I know you are. So let's get going. Okay, elevator plank, left side. Let's go 25 seconds. Ready? Begin. Seconds. Excellent. Next one. Next up, bicycle crunches. Okay, I want you to go for 25 seconds. All right, rock and roll. Seconds. Excellent. Moving on. Next up, inchworms. Let's do 25 seconds. Okay, get started. Small steps. 15 seconds. Super job. Let's move on. Next, squirm crunch. Let's do 25 seconds. Let's begin. Seconds. And done. Let's move on. Here we go, mountain climbers. Let's go 25 seconds. Start now. Seconds. Once more from the top. Okay, elevator plank, right side. Let's do 25 seconds. Let's begin. Seconds. Good, deep breath. Moving on. Next up, bicycle crunches, one of my favorites. Go for 25 seconds. Okay, hit it. Keep your eyes on the sky. 15 seconds. Super job. Let's move on. Now, inchworms. Go for 25 seconds. Start now. Think about drawing your tailbone up to the sky. 15 seconds. Excellent. Next one. Okay, squirm crunch. go for 25 seconds. And go. Seconds. Terrific. Let's move on. Mountain climbers, pound them out. Hit it for 25 seconds. Ready? Begin. Focus on your breathing. Match your breath to the movements. Do not hold your breath. 15 seconds. Whoa, what a workout! Bravo, my friend. That was definitely a real calorie burner, but you did a great job getting through it. You should be proud. Catch you next time.